Good morning, ma'am.
Sit.
Wait, SEEDANCE 2.0 is free again? And it works on both phone and laptop? That's insane.
Today I'll show you how to create cinematic AI videos using both your phone and your laptop.
Let's go!
All this video you're watching right now were created using this all-in-one platform, and you can see the results are insane. In today's video, I will show you how you can generate these long-form videos up to 10 seconds, 15 seconds using one prompt. And guys, the result will blow your mind. Without much ado, guys, let's go. So in your browser, go ahead and type notesgp.io. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and remember, every platform you must sign up, and after signing up you have to log in. So look at the interface here. Where you have the interface, I'm already logged in. It's just a simple way of opening the interface. It's going to give you your all-in-one AI learning assistant. Now you're going to try for free. You have add to Chrome browser, and but what we are going to be focusing on in this video is how to use the AI images and AI video editor in today's video. So guys, let's go ahead and log in. So the moment you log in, it will be required that you log in with an email. Here you can try temporary email if it works. If it works, let me know in the comment section, okay? And then continue with email. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. So guys, we're already here on the interface. This is what the interface looks like. We have the YouTube video summarizer, we have the YouTube trans. So we are not looking at all of this for now in this video, but our focus is on image and AI video. So you can see we have the GPT-2 is here. So the current and the latest GPT is here already on the platform. So first we need to start with, let's see what their image looks like. Okay, we are going to come here now. Once we open up, we want to see other types of images, other types of image generator or editor. You can see here we have GPT-2 image generator, image editor. So what we'll be focusing on is this image generator, and you can literally remove background from your image if you want to remove background from the image. We will do more details of this video in the subsequent videos. Okay, you can remove clothing. A lot of things can happen, so you can log in and explore this interface, see how it works. Okay, so for now I'm going to illustrate to you how to use AI image generator. So go ahead and open up the image generator. Let's see. Remember, there is SEEDANCE 2.0 has been launched into this platform, so you can literally use the latest model of SEEDANCE 2.0 here and create insane videos. So guys, let's go ahead. Now if you click on this drop down, you're going to see other options, okay, like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. Okay, we are going to use this. Now if you log in, you are going to have some free credit. Yeah, the platform will give you free credit. Okay, and using this particular model, you have access to 2 free images daily. So every day you have to generate 2 free images. Every day you have 2 free images, and every day you log into this platform, you have access to some credit. All right, so we proceed. Awesome. So now we are going to generate our image. So if you have any image reference, you can upload it here. But if you don't have, you can bring any text. I mean your image. So I'm going to paste this prompt. This prompt is a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and select the aspect ratio, and of course the aspect ratio is here. Right, we have landscape and portrait and all your choices. Okay, and we also have the resolution. We have 1K resolution, 2K, 4K at the highest. You want the number of output of the images you want. You want 2, you want 1, you want 3, depending on what you want. So you can make selection. You have variations. Okay, so you can go ahead, and once you are done with everything, you're cool with it. Here is enhancing your prompt. Okay, you want to optimize your prompt to fit in with what you want to generate. So you can go ahead and click that pencil-like icon, and it will eventually look at it. That's actually optimize it for me so that it can move. Optimize it to the platform standard. Okay, now go ahead and generate. So we are going to see what the output of this generation will be. Now look at where the images is going to appear. These are the ones I've generated so far using this platform. So this image is going to appear here, and within a short period of time it is done. So these images, I'm going to use it to create a video so that you can see how fantastic this platform is. It's so like the creation, the output is mind-blowing. Now I will be using the latest model of SEEDANCE 2.0 to generate our video. Guys, if you're excited already and you've watched it this time, while we're waiting for the image to load, go ahead and give this video a like, drop me a comment to know Okay, go ahead and give this video a like so that YouTube can push it to more people, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, the image is here, and guys, this is insane. This is the image generation. You see how perfect it is. Look at the realism of these images. Look at everything, the environment, so classical, just like I wanted, and it has actually did an excellent job here. And if you come here, you can literally edit your prompts here if you want to edit this image. And this is the first image, and then this is the second one. Remember, we gave two option, like we needed variations. Okay, so this is another one and this is another one. Okay, so for you, which one do you prefer? I think I like this one because look at how real it looks like they were having a conversation, right? So let's go ahead and hit this download button and see download all if you want the two, and if you need one, just download this particular selected one. Beautiful. And then remember, we are using GPT image 2, the latest model of GPT images, the latest model of GPT images. So guys, go ahead and try this and use it for your image generation. Remember, you have free credits here. So guys, we are going to move into the next one, which is our video creation. So let's go ahead, and from here we can click video, AI video, and you're going to have AI video generator, or you can literally go back from here so that we can use the from the platform anywhere you want to stand, anywhere at all. So go ahead and click this AI video, and it will take you into the next interface, which is AI video generator. Go ahead and open it up. You can see that fire emoji. It means it's fire. Now look up here, you can see AI generator image SEEDANCE 2.0 is here, the agent. And guys, this is mind-blowing. So go ahead and let's impute our video. Now we're going to use that image we created as the reference image. Okay, go ahead and open it, and to bring you, it's either if you have the image, why not use it from here? But if you don't have the image and you want to use your prompt, go ahead and paste your prompt here. And if you have multiple images you want to bring up, and you have another one you want to add, go ahead and click here, then bring in then you are going to be using add to reference the image. For example, if I have two images here, let's assume I have two images here. I'm going to, let's say, let me just use this repeatedly, okay? The same image, because I have only one. So you can see you can add as many images as you want, okay? But for me, I just need just one. But let me just show you something. So at this point, if you have multiple images, you just use as image one. You can select image one. Beautiful. Then you now write what you want to write, like what you want to say. Then when you are done, now add image 2. Do you understand? This is how you use the add button. That is, if you have multiple images on the platform. Guys, this is super detailed and straightforward. So we are going to go ahead and paste our prompt, and then this prompt carries the entire, both the image generation prompt and the voiceover is a dialogue kind of prompt. Okay, so once we are coming here, look at the model here. What we are using is SEEDANCE 2.0, and you can see we have other SEEDANCE, and currently you can see they have some, they have 60% off of their platform. So you can, if you want to upgrade, yes, if you're thinking of upgrading to utilize the premium version of SEEDANCE 2.0, you can upgrade, and they are giving 60% off their product. So go ahead and try that now, but use the link that will be in the description of this video to see the outcome of this video. Now look at the aspect ratio. Go ahead and select the aspect ratio and the seconds. Okay, you can go ahead and select the seconds. We have how many seconds you want this video to be. I'll put it at 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds, and then I have 7. Let's see the highest quality. Okay, 720p resolution, and then the sound is on and everything is perfect. So let's go ahead and optimize this prompt to fit into the community guideline of this platform. Let's say the prompt is not optimized. Let's allow the platform to optimize it to fit in with what we want to achieve. Amazing. So it has actually optimized this and everything is perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and generate this. Guys, what is going to happen? I'm super excited, guys.
Do you know 2.0 is actually free again?
Yeah. And the Realism, it's insanely good, like top tier professional.
This changes everything. Do you know 2.0 is actually free again?
Yeah. And the Realism, it's insanely good, like top tier professional.
This changes everything.
I love it, guys. I love it, guys. So go ahead and try this out. Can you see the perfect lip sync? Did you see the image realism? Have you seen the eye contact? Did you see the camera motion? I mean, this is what makes a complete professional video, making it look like a real video when it is not real. This is how you use this platform. And not just that, let's go ahead and generate some other thing that is not really necessarily human. Awesome. So now I'm giving this prompt. It only creates cinematic human form, right? It creates animals, it creates everything. Anything you want to create, this platform gives you that. And we are still using SEEDANCE 2.0. okay, this is beautiful, guys. And then we are still using 10 seconds. Remember, this actually gave us 10 seconds long. Beautiful. And the sound is still on, and you can decide to optimize the prompt if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this. Guys, the moment it finished loading up, it's going to redirect you into this interface that looks this great, that enables you to, oh my god, to edit. Let's watch it out. This is 10 seconds, right? Let's see. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. This is great. So if you have been thinking of what platform, what tool should I use to start my cinematic videos channels, this is highly recommended. So go ahead and use the link in the description of this video. It's long, guys. This is, don't sleep on this. You can generate up to 10 seconds, even up to 15 seconds. This is beautiful. And guys, this is so sweet. So go ahead and let's generate this.
Good morning.
Let me know what you think about this particular tool and drop your feedback. Let me know. Don't forget to use the link in the description of this video to sign up and start using GPT.
Both your phone and your laptop.
Let's go.